When it comes to creating a budget, you're tracking two things: the money you have coming in and the money you have going out. In other terms, we call this your income and expenses. But there are different types of each. So let's look at those now, starting with income. The two types of income are active and passive. Active income is what you generally think of when you think of earning money. It's sacrificing your time or energy and receiving a paycheck for it. It could be hourly if you're a cashier at a grocery store, for example. Or it could be by a completed task, like being a Postmates delivery person. You get paid for every delivery you make. Passive income, however, is income earned with little to no effort. Maybe you spend a few minutes one time taking an action, but you continue to generate income from that one action for months or even years. A really easy and simple example is a high yield savings account. You simply put money into the account and generate interest on it every month, forever, or at least until you pull all of your money out. Now let's talk about the four different types of expenses. They are needs, wants, savings, and debt repayment. I think you know what needs are. They're the stuff you need to survive, like a roof over your head and food on your table. Wants, however, is the stuff that makes life worth living. Concert tickets, going out to eat with friends, and even buying those new pair of shoes that you don't need but look really cool. Savings are money set aside for future expenses. Maybe you're planning an upcoming wedding. You probably have some savings for that. They also help account for unexpected expenses like your car breaking down. And finally, debt repayment. If you owe someone money, whether it be a student loan or credit card debt, for example, that's money coming out of your bank account, and it needs to be accounted for in your budget. Let's talk about the targets you should aim for with all four of these expense categories next.